What's the meaning of builder's merchant? Builder's merchant. Builder's merchant.
Builder's merchant. Builder's merchant. The term builder's merchant refers to a type of business that specializes in the supply of building materials and related products to contractors, builders, and DIY enthusiasts. These merchants typically offer a wide range of products such as timber, bricks, cement, plumbing supplies, electrical supplies, and tools. They may also provide additional services such as tool hire, delivery, and expert advice on product selection and installation. Builders' merchants play a crucial role in the construction industry, providing essential products and services to ensure successful completion of building projects.